Food is more than just something we eat. It carries the heart, history, and culture of a nation. In America, every dish tells a story. Some of these stories are about native traditions, others about immigrant dreams, and many about resilience during hard times. Today, let's explore 16 traditional American foods and uncover the unique history, meaning, and soul behind each of them. 1. Apple pie, American as apple pie. This famous phrase shows how deeply this dessert is tied to American culture. While apples came from Europe, Americans embraced pie making in colonial times. During World War II, soldiers would say they were fighting for mom and apple pie, making it a symbol of home, family, and patriotism. 2. Cornbread. Cornbread traces back to Native American communities who used maize long before Europeans arrived. It became a survival food for settlers and later a staple in the South. During slavery, cornbread sustained millions who had little else to eat, making it both a symbol of hardship and strength. 3. Fried chicken. Fried chicken has roots in both Scottish immigrants and African American culinary traditions. Enslaved African cooks perfected seasoning and frying, turning it into a soulful dish. Today, it represents comfort, celebration, and resilience, especially in the South. Clam chowder. In New England, clam chowder is more than soup. It's history in a bowl. Made with clams, potatoes, and cream, it was a dish of fishermen and settlers. Every spoonful reflects the harsh but resourceful life of those who built coastal America. Hot dogs brought by German immigrants in the 1800s, hot dogs became the street food of America. By the 20th century, they were linked to baseball stadiums, summer picnics, and the 4th of July. More than just food, hot dogs symbolize community and simple joy. Hamburgers. The hamburger, also from German immigrants, became a true American icon thanks to diners, fast food, and drive-ins. Burgers embody innovation, convenience, and the rise of modern America. Today, they're found everywhere from backyard grills to gourmet restaurants. 7. Macaroni and cheese. Introduced by Thomas Jefferson. After his trip to Europe, mac and cheese became a household favorite. During the Great Depression, Kraft-boxed mac and cheese offered families affordable comfort. Today, it still carries nostalgia and warmth with every bite. Corn on the cob. Corn is deeply Native American, and corn on the cob remains one of the simplest yet most meaningful dishes. Roasted over fire at gatherings, fairs, and barbecues, it reflects the abundance of the land and the joy of summer. Barbecue, BBQ. Barbecue is more than food, it's a cultural ritual. From Texas brisket to Carolina pulled pork, BBQ reflects regional pride. Its roots lie in native smoking techniques and African traditions of slow cooking, making it a true blend of histories. 10. Grits made from ground corn. Grits come from Native American diets and became a Southern staple. Once known as poor man's food, grits now appear in fine restaurants, reminding us how humble beginnings can grow into cultural treasures. 11. Pancakes. Pancakes, or flapjacks, became a symbol of American breakfasts. Families gather around stacks of pancakes on weekends, often drenched in maple syrup. Beyond food, they represent togetherness, warmth, and tradition. 12. Biscuits and gravy. Born in the South after the Revolutionary War, biscuits and gravy sustained workers with little money but big appetites. The rich gravy poured over soft biscuits turned scarcity into comfort, a reminder of survival during lean times. 13. Jambalaya from Louisiana. Jambalaya blends African, French, and Spanish influences. With rice, sausage, chicken, and seafood, it's a dish of celebration. Jambalaya tells the story of cultural fusion and the creativity of people who made something beautiful from limited ingredients. 14. Chili chili, with its roots in Texas and Mexican traditions, became cowboy food on the frontier. It was cheap, filling, and spicy enough to spark warmth. Over time, chili cook-offs turned it into a dish of pride and competition. 15. Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie is forever tied to Thanksgiving. Native Americans taught settlers to use pumpkins, and over centuries it became a holiday classic. Today it symbolizes gratitude, family, and the harvest season. So turkey, finally turkey, the centerpiece of Thanksgiving. For Native Americans and pilgrims alike, turkey represented abundance. Centuries later, it continues to bring families together around one table, a symbol of unity and tradition. Food in America is never just about taste, it's about memory, survival, love, and community. Each of these 16 dishes carries stories of immigrants, native peoples, struggles, and triumphs. Together, they tell the story of a nation that blended countless cultures into one shared table.